Hello everyone! The JBL Live 770NC are wireless over-ear headphones featuring 40mm drivers and JBL spatial sound, delivering a virtual surround sound experience for any stereo content. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. Let's start. Appearance. The design is typical JBL. While plastic and toy-like, the JBL construction is well executed. The 770NCS are stylishly finished in a cool blue, and the knitted headband adds a touch of luxury. Design and comfort. In terms of design and comfort, the left side is fine, but the right side looks cluttered with too many buttons and a large JBL logo. The headband fabric looks great, but it's difficult to clean and easily collects dust. I had this issue with the JBL Live 670NC. Bluetooth. The JBL Live 770NC headphones feature Bluetooth 5.3 and support LE audio for improved wireless connectivity and sound quality. JBL Live 770NC soundstage. The 770NC maximizes the stereo soundstage even in confined spaces. While the sound is sometimes surprisingly good, imaging still feels limited. However, the soundstage offers a distinct positioning, unlike typical JBL headphones, resulting in excellent left-right channel balance. Low-end frequency response. The JBL has a unique sound profile, with thick, full-bodied bass. Even without EQ, the bass is already quite dominant, but it lacks a sense of form. Rich, lush bass tones are consistently present throughout the sound signature, with individual notes buried somewhere in a fog of resonance. Mid-range frequency response. Without EQ, the sound signature is typical of a V-shaped system. The mid-range is recessed for the most part, but not destructively, making it suitable for certain genres of music. Treble frequency response. The treble is present and beautifully polished, adding a beautiful sheen to the headphone's treble. This is primarily used to add color, with a subtle, shimmering glow resonating throughout. Features and connectivity. The JBL Live 770NC headphones, featuring a 3.5mm headphone jack, touch controls, a USB-C port, and cushioned ear cups, were photographed against a blue Tom's Guide backdrop. The Live 770NC supports wired and wireless connectivity via a 3.5mm jack and Bluetooth 5.3, respectively. During testing, I found the range to be at least 2 steps, which is roughly comparable to my AirPods Pro 2. Controls. All controls are located on the right ear cup. From bottom to top, the first button toggles between ANC, transparency mode, and normal mode. ANC, active noise cancellation, blocks external noise. Transparency mode lets you hear your surroundings, and normal mode has no special features. Battery. The JBL Live 770NC headphones boast impressive battery life. With ANC off, they offer up to 65 hours of continuous playback, ensuring uninterrupted listening. At the end, the Live 770NC handles bass resonance incredibly well. While it's true that the punchy bass performance comes at the expense of clarity, that's to be expected. Detail-conscious listeners and audiophiles won't be impressed. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.